So based off your GPA, your ACT score isn't meeting your expectations. What gives? Well, here at Torch Prep, we see that all the time, and I'm going to show you a few steps to help you understand how to get your ACT score where you want it to be based off your high GPA. So the first thing to consider is what is not the problem. Your problem is not content, it's testing. So in other words, you don't need to go and study for the ACT. A person like you needs to study the ACT. So here's how to bridge the gap. The first thing to consider is timing. Most people with a high GPA and a low ACT score struggle on the timing of one of the components of the test. For instance, if you're a careful reader and a meticulous reader on the ACT, it means you're probably not finishing the test. So you have to learn, you know how to read, but you have to learn how to read for the ACT. Also, for mathematics, are you knowing where and how to get through the test in the time and the pace you need to? This is different than most math tests because you have 60 minutes, 60 questions. You have to learn how to speed through the test with the right amount of time at the right pace. Now, secondly, is test buyback. We tell this to everybody because it's awesome. There are 3 ACT tests that you can buy back in a year. There's one in December, April, and June. Buy these tests back, I'll put the link below, and then when you get it, you can actually study where are you missing or what are your themes that you're missing in the test. Study them and understand how to respond the next time. Which brings me to the last and potentially the most important point. You must repeat the ACT test. So if you're an anxious test taker, right, you're taking the ACT and you know how important it is and how difficult it is, how many times are you prepared to take the ACT? People who beat the test will repeat the test. So to learn the timing, to learn the holes you have in the ACT, you must repeat it. So if you follow these 3 steps, you're going to see your ACT score move and to match your expectations based off your GPA. And while you're at it, check out the video we made on what is your ACT worth, and you actually see that every point you improve will create real dollars for you guys.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. At Torch Prep, we are obsessed with making the ACT open doors for kids, not close them. So if you're interested in working with Torch Prep to raise ACT scores, whether you're a student, a parent, or an administrator, go to torchprep.com to get some information about our programs and our partnerships. Also, check out the other videos we have on this channel. There's lots of great resources to help you maximize your ACT score.